Today, I am playing at Hell Survivors Airsoft in Michigan. In this video, my team's main objective is to defend our helicopter from the enemy team. Their job is to take and secure the helicopter and escort a flag to it. Today I will be using my upgraded G&G ARP9. I hope you enjoy the gameplay.
Right here, so. Payne, I'm heading this way. Alright, fan out. Let's do this.
Here, you will see my buddy and I flank around the side of the map to cut off the enemy's reinforcements.
So let's go find the hell we pick. Okay. Going up a little bit. We don't have the, if they're pushing straight for the helicopter, we should be able to shoot in on them from here. That's my idea at least. That or they might actually flank this wide and we'll run right into them. Just watching for movement. I see a guy. 12. Yeah, do you see all them in the woods? Okay.
We can come up and go over there. We can get them out and flank them.
Let's go. Yeah, let's flank. We just can't get spotted, so let's use these bushes here. Oh, they spotted us? Dude, that almost got me. Let's go through here. Oh my.
Back up.
Do you want to cross to that fort? Where? Oh, I see him. He's out. There's a lot of them. Peyton, I'm gonna flank far right.
I'll come over that way.
Here, you will see me do a wide flank to take out the enemy LMG player that has been pinning us the whole time. I successfully did my job of taking out the LMG player, but I decided to go back for more.
What's that?
If your buddy down here.
I'm gonna head off into the woods over there, see if I get shot immediately.
Okay. Going with. Friendly. Oh, we got a guy straight ahead. 50 meters out.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna go far right.
Yeah, he's following the right side. How far?
20 meters up. Straight ahead of me. Gray hoodie. Hit! Hit!
I get taken out, but shortly after respawning, I spot an enemy player that had just taken my teammates out. I wait for the
Is the
dead
game
players
still on?
to move out of the way to get a clear shot.
Oh. I just couldn't shoot you because there's like 10 people behind you.
Dude, I was about to spray you so hard, but I thought you were dead.
No, I was just waiting until you like got away from them.
Bro.
Yeah, look at him go.
Run, Forrest, run! All right, well, you've got a body with an LMG, so.
Let's do it.
Oh, you can freaking hear him.
Yeah, they've definitely pushed up. They killed me and a bunch of guys over here, and they started coming. I'm cutting through here.
We flanked on the far left.
Yeah.
Couple punches in there.
Oh yeah. There's a ton of them back in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got spawns. We finish them back.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill like in here.
With the game ending soon, I decide to use the remaining minutes to watch the flank and guard the helicopter.
Holy shit. Oh, you're out. Oh. He's out.
That is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.